The Human Development Index is published by the blank. Answer is option B, UNDP. Friends, UNDP means United Nations Development Program. It was formed on 22 November 1965. Its headquarters is in New York City. Chief Steiner is the current head. In India, inflation is measured on the basis of blank. Answer is option D, Consumer Price Index. An announcement by RBI for increase in cash reserve ratio means. Answer is option D, commercial banks will have less money to lend. Sales tax, excise duty and customs duty are examples of blank. Answer is option C, indirect taxes. When did the rules under the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act come into force? Answer is option A, July 2004. Friends, if you understand in detail, the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act is a law enacted by the Government of India in 2003 to ensure fiscal discipline by setting targets including the reduction of fiscal deficits and elimination of revenue deficits. It came into force in 5 July 2004. National Fisheries Development Board is located in blank. Answer is option C, Hyderabad. Friends, National Fisheries Development Board was set up in September 2006 with its headquarters at Hyderabad. Dr. P. Krishnaiah is the Chief Executive Officer of the organization. Which of the following is not a small scale industry in India? Answer is option B, petroleum industry. Tax on declared dividend is paid by whom? Answer is option B, shareholders, receiver of the dividend. What is the purpose of the licensing policy in India? Answer is option D, to promote regional equality. Friends, if you understand in detail, the aim of licensing policy was to keep the private sector under control. No new industry was allowed unless a license was obtained from the government. This policy was used for promoting industries in backward regions. BSNL Mobile was earlier known as blank. Answer is option A, Cell 1. Friends, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited is a government telecom company headquartered in New Delhi. It was formed on 15 of September 2000. It is the largest fixed phone service provider in India. In India, poverty is estimated on the basis of. Answer is option C, household consumption expenditure. Bretton Woods Conference resulted into the establishment of which of the following? Answer is option B, IMF and IBRD. Friends, if you understand in detail, IMF means the International Monetary Fund. International Monetary Fund was founded in 1945. Its headquarters is in Washington, D.C. IBRD means International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. IBRD was established in the year 1944 and currently has 189 members. IBRD is called World Bank. The head office of European Union is in. Answer is option D, Belgium. Friends, the European Union is a group of 27 countries and was formed in the year 1993. It is headquartered in Brussels, Belgium. Brussels is also the headquarters of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, means NATO. Who among the following suggested the rolling plan? Answer is option C, Gunnar Myrdal. Who was the first person to use a scientific method to calculate national income of India? Answer is option A, V.K.R.V. Rao. Professor V.K.R.V. Rao in 1931-32 used a scientific method to calculate the national income of India for the first time. He served as a Union Minister of Education in 1971. He was awarded Padma Vibhushan in 1974. Which one of the following program was initiated during the 6th five-year plan? Answer is option C, integrated rural development. Friends, if you understand in detail, integrated rural development program was launched on 2nd October 1980 all over the country. 6th five-year plan was from 1 April 1980 to 31 March 1985. The scheme was based on the input-output model. The main goal of this plan was poverty prevention, economic development, modernization, self-reliance, and social justice. The National Statistical Commission was established on the basis of the recommendation of which one of the following commissions or committees? Answer is option B, Rangarajan Commission. The National Statistical Commission was established on the basis of the recommendation of the Rangarajan Commission. The Government of India, through a resolution dated 1st June 2005, set up the National Statistical Commission. Blank was the first bank that was established in India in 1770. Answer is option D, Bank of Hindustan. Friends, the oldest bank in India is the Madras Bank, 1683, followed by the Bank of Bombay, founded in 1720, which is then followed by the Bank of Hindustan, founded in 1770. The Bank of Hindustan, set up by the agency house of Alexander and Company in the year 1770, was the first bank established in India. It was no longer exist now. The 1 rupee currency notes of India are issued by? Answer is option C, the Ministry of Finance. Friends, if you understand in detail, under section 22 of the Reserve Bank of India Act, RBI has sole right to issue currency notes of various denominations except 1 rupee note. The 1 rupee note is issued by the Ministry of Finance and it bears the signature of the Finance Secretary, while other notes bear the signature of Governor RBI. Which of the following five-year plans witnessed the highest growth rate in India? Answer is option A, 11th plan.